Okay, very good. Now we are going to study one lesson. That is the second part of the lesson, and that lesson is 100 races written by Al Bashur Astor. So first part you have understand that how did that girl Wanda Penkovsky suffered by some notorious children, and it affect the life. She left the school and what was happening after that time. So some point we are going to study on the second part of 100 races. Okay, so some part means we are going to revise that lesson. So the first point is that introduction. Second point is summary. There are many points A, B, C, so on. And third point is theme, and fourth point is message. What you are going to learn the message from the second part of the Yes. Hello. Are you listening? Are you listening? Now say, I am going to tell you about the introduction. So the story carries the useful message, and it teaches us not to hurt the feeling of others. Sometimes we may cause much agony to others due to our carelessness. So from our carelessness, some person hurt. Okay. So we should not, by the carelessness, result of carelessness, hurt the other student. So another, we may not hurt others intentionally, but our making fun of others is not in good taste. Okay. So another thing is that sometimes we lose a good friend just for nothing. By hurting others, by teaching others, what will be the result? The result will be we can lose the best friend. Okay. So now see, she feels insulted and decides to leave the school when the Wanda has gone. The whole class that used to mark at her regret, but it is too late to amend. Now what happened? The generally student try to teach other student, try to mock other student. But the reality is that it should not be happened like that. Okay? Because if you are teasing anyone, it may be possible that he will be hurted more and you will lose your best friend. And it was with the Wanda also, that Wanda left the school for the teasing of other classmates. So you are learning the message that we should not tease anyone. We should not mock anyone. Okay? Who is speaking? Who is the boy? Just I am watching. Okay. Yeah, mind your language. Okay, near about 12 students. Okay, so now you will listen the summary. The introduction you have learned that in this lesson, the student, the other children, they try to teach the girls that was the Wanda Penkovsky, and she left the school. So this way, if you are trying to tease others, it may be possible that you will lose your best friend. Never try to tease anyone. Actually, what happened? We find too much enjoy to teasing anyone. Okay? So teasing in your classmate, it is sometime, but it should not be so like that. It will hurt his heart. Okay? And it will be the bad result. So now see the summary. When the Wanda Pentoski left the school, yeah, now you are going the first point summary, and the first point is that a letter from the Wanda fathers, that was the Jen Pentoski. The Wanda father was Jen Pentoski, and he wrote a letter to the class teacher, to the principal, and principal called the class teacher, mentioned. She came there and received the letter, and she wanted, after reading the letter, she was very surprised. She was very surprised and went in the classroom and tried to read in front of the student. And after listening this letter, all the students become surprised, shocked. Okay, and what happened after that? A note from the principal office was brought to Miss Mason when she was taking the class. Miss Mason read it and looked troubled. So she was very troubled after reading the letter. What? Okay, are you listening? Are you listening? Hello. So what happened after that? You understand that she told that she was very troubled, and the whole class looked at her when asked them to pay attention. She told the class that she had not the attention. A letter from the Wanda's father, and she wanted to read the letter to the class. She started reading the letter, which said that Wanda would not come to school anymore from that day. The family had moved to the big city, and the father said, no more Holler products. It has mentioned that nobody would ask her why her name was funny, and there were several funny names in the city. The whole class turned silent and listening these words. Then the teacher, Miss Mason, said that she knew nobody from the room's 13th could hurt others. Feelings unknowingly. She further said that whatever had happened to the unfortunate, and she wished that all of them should be think this. So now, when she was teaching, when she was reading the letter of the Wanda father, it was written that she had moved, means father. So it was the father's letter. It was, are you not listening my point?